In today's lecture, we are going to learn about HTML headings. HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. So the examples are heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6. So we can represent the headings with H1 tag, H2 tag, H3, H4, H5 and H6. The headings defines the most H1 or heading tags are the most important heading tags we used in our HTML programming. Browser automatically adds some white space, a margin before and after headings. Headings are very important. Search engines use the headings to index the structure and contents of your web pages. Use HTML headings for headings only. Don't use headings to make text big or bold. So I have written this code: heading H1, H2, H3 up to H6. Now we will run this program. I just save this document, HTML headings. Now I'm going to play this document. You can see this is HTML headings. H1 is the biggest, having the biggest font. H2 is a little bit smaller. H3, H4, H5 and H6. Of course, there is a requirement sometimes that we have to display a certain heading with our own customized defined font size. In that case, what you have to do, you have to go to the particular heading tag and then you have to introduce CSS cascading style sheet. So you have to put style, then equal, then font size. So I will put the font size here 60 pix, semicolon and then double quotes. So after customizing the font size of this H1, you will see a difference of this customized heading and predefined H1 heading. So we will execute the file again. I will, in order to get effect of this HTML code, I have to refresh this page again in the browser. So you have seen that even this is HTML headings, this is under H1 tag, but the second H1 I have customized with the font size 60 pix. So this content of this H1 tag and the contents of this H1 default heading tag, the weight is different. You can see it clearly.